$150 a month. That's it. $150 a month for 12 months, and you can own your very own website. We have some higher packages, but we are offering this never before offered package where we will build out a website that is absolutely awesome. It looks good, feels good, easy to navigate, has all the information of what you do, where you do it, shows off your work, allows people to call you, contact you over quote form, etc. It's got a secure certificate. It's got all the things that Google's looking for in a website, and it's just $150 a month. So we're excited to offer that for you guys here now. My name is Lewis Vandervalk with Blue Crocus Solutions, and we are offering this package for contractors for what may be a limited time. We're excited to see the uptake on who takes advantage of this, but it's not going to be around forever. So if you're interested, drop a line, fill out your information, and we'll get in touch with you to see if you're a good fit. But for $150 a month, this is a steal of a deal, guys, and these are some world-class websites that will allow you to get more customers, to refer people over to a professional portfolio. So, we've worked with people in paving, tree service, concrete, masonry, excavation, you name it, home remodeling, you name it, we've worked with them. You can check out our website to see testimonials. We've got some awesome testimonials there. We can, refer you over to people who have worked with us, and, we're excited to work with you and to help you come into the digital revolution for contractors, the digital age, and allow you to take advantage of more ways to get customers. So drop a line. Once again, this is Lewis with Blue Crocus Solutions. Excited to work with you.